Right, I'm about to start on my compressor placement. The first thing I did was remove all my wires from off my run common to start, and as you can see, that spot there next to the start terminal was shorting out, tripping the main breaker on the inside, throwing the breaker. So that's why I'm out here replacing this compressor today. So after disconnecting those wires, first thing I do is remove the screws that are holding the compressor in place. You have 4 of those. So it's just an easy process of removing those. This is probably my 7th compressor change out in the last 4 months. This is my first Copeland. The rest have been Bristol, such as that one sitting over there, but another person left that out here. I got to clean out the inside of this thing as well. I've cleaned around the base of it, removing all that dirt, but it still needs to be cleaned out on the inside. On this Tuesday, this is my thing to do. I have another compressor change out for tomorrow. 2.5 ton Bristol. This is a 2.5 ton Copeland. I want to give a shout out to Steve Lav, Fritz, Talon, Stephen Raridan, TNN, Ralph, Eagle Mech, Heavy Diesel. That's 3 or 4. One more to go. All the rest of the guys I've been watching over the years. Dr. Z. Alright fellas, time to get the acetylene and some water and rags, all that good stuff together to be able to complete this, or at least get it started anyway, and to complete it, because it's pretty much an easy process. I'm gonna unsweat it here while covering. This is your tube for that's direction on the suction port in your center there. Unsweat the discharge, unsweat the suction. This is gonna be another one of those change outs. Be right back, folks. Alright, fellas, I got fellas and women alike, whoever may be watching. Alright, I got torches ready. I'm pressure set and ready to go. I'm try to record this without dropping the phone.